What are you? You don't like my hat? He doesn't like my hat.
Yes, Polly.
You don't like hat?
This is Pirate Parrot here.
All right. Back up. There you go. Here you go. Am I not doing it right? Here you go. There you go. Here you go. Oh, you want my hat some more? Yeah.
All right, Pirate Parrot. You're gonna fucking destroy that hat,
Yes.
all right?
Where are you going?
You know, she wants the hat. That's all.
See.
She just wants the fucking hat. Well, just give it to her. See what happens. Here. May I?
Yes.
All right, Polly. Huh? You don't want it? You're not going to put it on, are you?
Well, it's just falling.
All right. I'm sorry. I'm
Freak
sorry.
her out.
I'm sorry. Woo!
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
Relax. Get up here. Put it down lower, honey, so she can crawl.
Right
There you
here?
go.
Right here? Sorry.
That's it.
There you go. Sorry.